Hello class 6th. I hope you all are fine. So students, many of you have not sended your assignments from 13th assignment and just submit them as soon as possible because you all know that you are going to get marks out of 20 based on these assignments only. So just submit your assignments on time and mention your assignment number. Okay? So let's get started. So students, we are just continuing our previous chapter, that is fraction, and we are starting a new topic, that is conversion of given fractions to equivalent like fractions. It means they have given you fractions and you have to convert these three fractions into equivalent like fractions. So for this, what you have to do, first of all, you have to find the LCM of the denominators. What are the denominators? 5, 15 and 20. So you have to find the LCM of 5, 15 and 20. I have found it and it is coming 60. You can find it by yourself. Okay. So first of all, we have to find the LCM of the denominator, that is coming equals to 60. Now what we have to do, first we take the first fraction. Okay. And we have to multiply both the numerator as well as the denominator of the fraction by a number so that it becomes equals to the LCM. It means you have to make this denominators equals to this number, that is 60. So you have to multiply 5 with the number so that it comes 60. Now with whom you have to multiply 5 to become to make it 60? By 12. Okay. So I am multiplying 5 with 12. So if I am multiplying denominator with a number, I have to multiply the numerator with the same number. Okay. So after multiplying, I am getting 48 by 60. Clear? Similarly with this one, that is your 7 upon 15. Now we have to multiply 15 by 4 to get 60. If I am multiplying the denominator by 4, so I have to multiply the numerator also by 4. Now 7 4s are 28 and 15 4s are 60. Clear? In every fraction, I have to make this denominator equal to the LCM which I am getting. Okay, that's why I am making it equals to 60. Similarly in this one, that is 31 upon 20 and multiplying 20 by 3, I am getting 60. So I have to multiply the numerator also by 3. It is coming 93 by 60. Clear? So these are the three equivalent like fractions. So you will write this. The given fractions are equivalent to, these given fractions are equivalent to 48 by 60, comma 28 by 60 and 93 by 60 respectively. Clear? Next we are having comparison of fractions. Now first we have to learn that comparing of like fractions. So we all know that what are like fractions? If the denominators are same, then the fractions are said to be like fractions. So in like fractions, the fractions with the greater numerator is greater. In like fraction, what happened? The fraction with the greater numerator is always greater. So let us take an example. So here I have written two fractions, that is 3 upon 5 and 7 upon 5. Now these are like fractions and as the denominators are same. So who is having greater numerator? This one. So this fraction is greater. Clear? Next is your comparing fractions with same numerator. Now what if the fractions are having same numerator? For this I have made two figures over here. Okay. In first figure you can see I have divided this rectangle into three equal parts and I have shaded one part of it. So its fraction become 1 by 3. Clear? And I have taken the same rectangle and I have divided into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts I have divided and I have shaded one part of it. So its fraction become 1 by 5. Clear? Now it is clearly visible that the one part out of these 3 is greater than the one part out of these 5. You can see this part out of these 3 is greater than this part out of these 5. So we concluded that 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by 5. Clear? So if the numerators are same, then the fraction with the smaller denominator is the greater fraction. Next we are having compare 9 by 16 and 5 by 9. Now we are having two fractions and we have to compare them. Okay, so for that we have to make these fractions equivalent like fractions, or you can say we have to make the denominator of these two fractions equal. And how we are going to do that? So for that we have to find the LCM of 16 and 9, that is the denominator of the fraction. So the LCM of 16 and 9 is 144. Clear? Now you take the first fraction 9 by 16. Now you have to multiply the numerator as well as the denominator of the fraction by the number, so that this denominator becomes equals to the LCM. Okay, it means you have to make 16 equals to 144. So how you are going to do that? By multiplying the numerator and the denominator of the fractions by 9. So 9 nines are 81 and 16 nines are 144. Take the next fraction, and I have taken it and I have multiplied both the numerator as well as the denominator with 16, and I am getting 80 upon 144. Clear? Now you can see that these two fractions are like fractions now, as the denominators are same. So it is very easy to compare these two. So the one with the greater numerator is greater. So this 81 upon 144 is greater than 80 upon 144. Okay, you will write therefore this 9 by 16. Why 9 by 16? Because I am getting this 81 upon 144 by 9 by 16 only. So I have written 9 by 16 is greater than 5 by 9, and this will be your answer. Now next we are having arrange the fractions in ascending order. So there they have given you fractions and you have to arrange these fractions in ascending order. For making them in ascending order, what you have to do, you have to convert them into equivalent like fraction. So first of all, take the LCM of the denominator. So the LCM of 4, 12, 16 is 48. Okay, the LCM of the denominator is coming 48. Now you take the fraction one by one and convert them into equivalent like fraction. Now here I have taken 3 by 4, and it will be 3 into 12 and 4 into 12. I am getting 36 upon 48. Okay. Now 5 by 12, for converting, making this 12 equals to 48, I have multiplied the denominator as well as the numerator by 4, and I am getting 20 by 48. And the last one, that is your 9 by 16. For getting 48 from this 16, I have multiplied both the numerator as well as the denominator by 3. So I am getting 27 upon 48. Okay. Now you can see in these three fractions are like fractions. So you have to arrange them in ascending order. It means smaller to bigger. So which is the smaller among them? Which numerator is smaller among them? 20. So I have written 20 by 48. Then 27 by 48. And last one your 36 by 48. And this implies that this 20 by 48 I am getting from 5 by 12. So 5 by 12 is less than 9 by 16 is less than 3 by 4. So this is your ascending order. Similarly, you can arrange them in descending order. Next, we are having addition and subtraction of fractions. So, your first question is add 2 whole 4 by 5 plus 3 whole 3 by 5. So, first you have to solve this mixed fraction. Now, 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4, 14. So, this is coming your 14 by 5 plus 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 by 5. Clear? Now you can see these two are like fraction, and if you are going to take the LCM of these two, it is coming 5 only. So there is no need of taking LCM. You just write down 5, and this will be your 14 plus 18. Clear? And now you have to add these two. 14 plus 18 will be your 32 by 5, and this will be your answer. The next question is add 3 whole 2 by 9 plus 2 whole 1 by 3 plus 2 whole 7 by 12. So same as we have done the first one. First we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 2, 29. So we will write 29 by 9 plus 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. So 7 by 3 and plus 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 7 will be 31. So it will be 31 by 12. Clear? Now you have to take the LCM of the denominator. And when you take the LCM of the denominator, it is coming 36. Okay? So you will write 36 over here. Now this step is very important, so pay attention that what you have to do. First you have to write this number, okay, the numerator, it is 29, okay, then write multiplied by. Now this is what is your denominator over here? 9. So you have to find that in 9 table how many times 36 goes. 9 4s are 36, so you will write 4. Clear? You have done this with this one. Now what you are having? Add. So put a plus sign. Now again numerator, that is 7, multiply by. Now in 3 table 36 goes 3 12s are. So you will write 12. Okay, done with this one. Now what you are having? Plus sign. Now put a plus sign over here. Again the numerator, that is 31, and in 12 table 36 goes 12, 3s are 36. Clear? Okay, so first you have to write the numerator and you have to find that in denominator, this is 9. So in 9 table how many times 36 goes? 9 4s are 36, so you have to multiply with 4, and similarly with all these. Okay, now you have to multiply these two. 9 4s are 36, okay, and 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11, okay, plus 7 2s are 12 7s are, we all know that 12 7s are 84, plus 93. Clear? And this is coming 36. This one is clear. Now you have to add them. Now 6 plus 4 will be 10, plus 3 13. Carry goes 1, 3 I have written over here. Now 9 plus 1 10, plus 1 18, plus 1 19. So carry goes 1 here, and here I have written 9, and 1 plus 1 2. So it is coming 293 by 36. Clear? So this will be your answer. You can write your answer like this also, or you can convert it into mixed fraction also. And when you will convert it into mixed fraction, it is coming 36, and here it will be 8, and this will be 5. So this will be your answer. Clear? Now next question is simplify 2 whole 3 by 5 plus 1 whole 7 by 10 minus 3 whole 2 by 15. Same as we have done the questions, only minus sign is over here. Okay, so first we have to solve this mixed fraction. Now 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3 13. You will be writing 13 by 5. Then it is plus 10 1s are 10, plus 7 17. It is 17 by 10 minus 15 3s are 45, plus 2 47. 47 by 15. Clear? Now you have to take the LCM of these three, and when you take the LCM of these three, it is coming 30. Now same step, first you have to write the numerator. What is the numerator? 30. Now in 5 tables 30 goes in 5 6 are. So you will multiply with 6, then you have add, plus, then 17. In 10 table 30 goes, 10 3s are, so multiplied by 3. Then you are having subtraction sign over here, that is minus. Then you will write 47, and in 15 table 30 goes, 15 2s are. Clear? Now you have to multiply 13 6 are 78, plus 17 3s are 51, minus 2 7s are 14, and 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. It is 94 upon 30. Clear? Now you have to solve these one first. So your 8 plus 1 9, and 7 plus 5 will be your 12. Clear? Minus 94 whole upon 30. Clear? Now you have to subtract 9 minus 4 will be 5, and 12 minus 9 will be 3, and that is coming your 35 upon 30. Now you can reduce it, though both of them goes in a table of 5, so I am doing the cutting. 5 7s are 35 and 5 6s are 30. So it is coming 7 upon 6. Clear? Now you can convert it into mixed fraction also, that is 1 whole 1 by 6, and this will be your answer. Okay, so 6th class, do these kinds of questions, and till there take care of yourself.